I can find the area of a sector given the arc length. A sector is a piece of a circle, and an arc is a curved line. And for today's assignment, that curved line will be like the crust piece of the sector. All right, so to figure this out, we are going to use this proportion up here. Arc length, which is this measurement here, is over the circumference. That means it's part of the circumference. Okay, so it's kind of like a part to whole relationship. Then the sector area, which is the area of this piece, is part of the area of the whole circle. So we're just going to plug in values to this proportion here. Okay, I duplicated it down here because this is the one we are going to edit. All right, arc length. So this curved line right here, we just look at the picture, it is telling us that this curved piece here is 10.5. So I'm going to change this to 10.5. And that arc length is part of the circumference. To find the circumference, we're going to do pi times diameter. Well, they give us the radius, which is 5. So this other half of the circle is also 5. So all the way across, it is 10. So in a calculator, we're going to do 3.14 times 10. And when we do that, we get 31 4/10. For the sector area, that's the area of this piece here. We don't know that yet, so we're just going to use x to represent it, and then we're going to solve for x. But that sector area is part of the circle area. So let's find the area of the circle. We're going to do pi times radius squared. The radius, or halfway across the circle, is 5. So in a calculator, we're going to enter 3.14 times 5 times 5. And we get 78.5. All right, then to solve a proportion, you could use arrows, but this is kind of confusing because it has decimals. Our other option is to cross multiply. So if we multiply in this direction and in this direction, those cross products should be equal to each other. All right, so let's say I multiply going in this direction. I'm going to get 824 and 25/100. Then if I multiply diagonally this way, I'll get 31 4/10 times x. Then lastly, to solve for that x, we have to divide both sides by 31.4. By doing that, any number divided by itself is 1. 1x is just x. Yay, we have x by itself. And then if we divide here, we will know the value of x. All right, we get 26 and 25/100 inches squared. For area, our units are always two-dimensional. All right, I'm going to stop this video here, and I'll do one more example in a separate video.